Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to send a location on WhatsApp and how to send live location on WhatsApp. Once again, this method will work on both iOS and Android, so just follow my steps. Open your WhatsApp app on your phone and open the contact to whom you would like to send your live location on WhatsApp. Now tap on this link icon and from this list tap on location. Now Google Maps will open inside your WhatsApp app. To share your live location, tap on this icon. After that, it will show your live location, and if you would like to send another location, then you have to search the location by tapping here. Alright, after selecting your location, tap on the share live location icon. For the live location share option, you can select how long you will be there, like 15 minutes or 1 hour. After selecting your time, tap on this green icon to send your current live location. Yes, our live location has just sent to our contact that we have selected. You can also stop your live location by tapping stop sharing. Yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.